Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to add your YouTube videos into a particular playlist. If you want to upload a new video and want to add that to your playlist, so we're going to learn both ways. Number one is how to add your YouTube videos into a playlist that are already uploaded. In the second option, we're going to see how you can upload a new video and add that new uploaded video into a playlist. For that, all you have to do, go to the right upper corner and click on your picture. Go to YouTube Studio, click on it. When you go inside YouTube Studio, for example, in the first portion, what we're going to do, add any video into playlist. So for example, we're going to select a particular video, click on, for example, this one. So we're going to click on the details. And on the right side, you can scroll down and you will see an option called playlist right here. Click on that. And I have already added this video to the playlist called Gmail tutorials. So I have made a lot of playlists. I can add a new playlist through this option. So I'll be adding this video to a particular playlist. You can also add it that way, and in the end, click on done. And this way, how you can add a video into your playlist that is already uploaded. For example, if you are adding a new video, we go to create and upload a new video. For example, we're uploading a new video and we select a particular video. For example, we select that video and it's being uploaded. When it's uploaded, you can scroll down and see an option in here called playlist. You can click on this option, playlist, and in here you can add this video or into any particular playlist you want. And in the end, when you're gonna select it, click on done, and that way you can easily add your newly uploaded video into the playlist. If you think this video helped you to add your video to your playlist, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.